Shit on Netflix if you want. It's on Netflix. What are you doing tomorrow? No clue. Yes. Legend. Do you watch anime? No, I don't. Where I go and visit the Pope. It was such a cool scene to film because the room was so amazing. Yeah. I don't know. Willy Bum, is that my name? Thanks for that. Well, it's almost Christmas. How we're feeling? We're feeling very good, actually. Very, very good. Wait, Joe, why are you just stalking and you're not commenting? Like 3 times, I'd say. Post on Instagram. Trust me. 1917. Both good movies. I bet it was at a concert or something. Clean your camera? I don't know, it's just blurry, isn't it? I think it's just the time of day. Weird question, but do you... I hope the pizza was good. Hope the pizza is... Don't know why. What is the time? The time? Yeah. Lovely stuff. You legit look like Joey from Kissing Booth. I have not... No, it's not dirty. It's just blurry for some reason. Which is fun, I suppose. What is Lily asking? Because I don't see that. Speedos. Mate, Sam. You can't eat McDonald's. Yeah, your brother's tall. I'm gonna get more eventually. Travis, NF, and then... God, who else? The Weeknd. Meet Charlotte, I'm not going to guest anyone today. Next time though, if you're on. Your style, I don't know really. I'm dressing more like in shirts and stuff nowadays. I don't. Will, is your stomach good? I can hear it. You can hear my stomach? Are you sure? That's a bit weird. How can you hear that? Is it rumbling or something? Because I can't hear it. Yeah, I love him. I played his son. I'd love to. Oh god, my stomach is rumbling. What the hell? I'm 16. Colour are your eyes. Very funny. Sorry, I apologise for that. I go on live and just scream at people. Do you like Bella Hadid? I think she's a great model. You're welcome. Do you love ice cream? I love ice cream. Wait. What? Favourite ice cream flavour? Mint. That is the funniest interview ever. I do have a YouTube channel, however, the videos are extremely cringe and extremely old, so I would not recommend you going and watching them. However, with that said, you could always go watch them and just see how tragic they are. Anyway. What do you mean? So, favorite Netflix. TikTok. I totally agree. Joe, we know who's 5'3". You're 5'3". I'm literally 5'1". Actually, I probably have a photo of how tall. Let me check if I have a photo of me and see how tall I am. Actually, what else can I show you? Here's a wall if you guys wanted to see that. Well, how's school been for you? What makes you happy? I don't know. What? I hear your stomach. Does my stomach keep rumbling? Join the dark side. Honestly, mate, I might. I actually might. I might. I'll think about it. How about that? God, even I can hear my stomach now. This is not good. Do the what dance? No, I don't think I'm going to do that. Nor the renegade. Actually, maybe, I don't know. Answer some more questions. Sure. Oh. What do we have here? I'm quite worried. No. Maths or physics? I'm a math. I have to say. Favourite show? Don't know. I'm always here. I don't. I like all my followers are just One Direction followers. I can't lie. I jump on a live and it's all apparently. So there you go. It's been good. It's been good. Seb, mate. I don't know who you are. We go away. Are you still 6'3"? I'm nearly 6. I'm 6'3", but anyway. In Japan, actually, when I went to Japan, I just never wore it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I bought it in Adidas Japan. Interesting, but yeah. An actual performance, or is it just like written work? My man is not ignoring you, and also because I miss it. So, but I didn't even realize. But then I found them, so it's calm. Did you see Kangaroo competition? I know it was really nice. So I rate it. Didn't really get to see it much, but it was nice. Oh God, here we go. So I hope for the best. No, I do not. I do not. Yeah, sorry, that was my belly. Hungry. Hey Joe, you alright, mate? Say hello, Bubbly. Hello, Bubbly. Let me on this live. Bro, I don't trust you. What are we... I mean, I don't know when the latest I've done a live is, but... Alexa next. Who? And Jules LeBlanc did before, or is it just in the movie? No, you're not. Just ignoring you. That's a joke, I'm not. It's all about time though, I guess. I don't know if I've had for like years, so... It is. There's a lot of German in here, I think. I think that's German. I did a little bit. Go somewhere. Have you watched Suits on Netflix? Yeah, I have. I think, I mean, it's quite exquisite, I can't lie. It's quite cool. Maybe I should just, I don't know, really, I put like the little Australian flag. I will unstan you if you go bald. Well, I'm not going to go bald, so chill. Do not worry. Ti amo. No. Nah. They look really cool. Like 742. Oh, it's WhatsApp? Do you know, sort of, it's, I kind of leave it up to, the pub. Are you in London right now? My stomach? That wasn't my stomach. I don't know. Why is this glitch? Just my last name. Would you recommend to see me? I'm pretty sure I have. Yeah, I have actually. Yeah, I remember it now. Do you watch any YouTubers? I don't really watch YouTube that much.